women reach a stage in their lives where it seems their bodies are changing overnight with children and elderly parents and demanding jobs. It's no wonder that women don't or can't take good care of themselves. Well, Dr. Nieca Golderberg is a New York cardiologist, an author, and national spokesperson for the American Heart Association. She's here with some information about you and your gut, to put it bluntly, right?
That's right.
Thanks for coming. A lot of women, your practice is primarily women,
That's right.
They come in, they complain of chest pains, and you say that it's not always the case. It could be something completely different.
You know, chest pain is a pretty typical symptom of heart disease, but oftentimes I see women in my office who've gone to several doctors, have totally normal tests for their heart, but still have the chest pressure. So it comes to the point, well, maybe it's not heart disease, it could be heartburn.
Heartburn instead.
Heartburn.
Now, one of the things that we had mentioned earlier, just a few minutes ago here, was stress. It has a lot of symptoms. You're gaining weight, you're losing sleep, lack of appetite, backaches, headaches. These are not things that you should overlook. Right?
No, these symptoms are clues that maybe something's not going so right in our body.
We're looking at some food here. This is probably what most people are eating and what we probably should be eating. I'm just assuming, right?
Right, but you know, when it comes to acid reflux, and I talk to my patients, and there are some recommendations. First of all, even a weight gain of 5 to 7 pounds puts us at risk for acid reflux.
So, I mean, like chocolate and peppermint candy, that's...
Well, often it seems like, oh, these shouldn't hurt you very much, but if you have a tendency to acid reflux or are feeling those burning symptoms, some of these foods can make it worse. Peppermints and chocolate, and what they do is they relax this little valve at the end of our esophagus that prevents us from getting acid backed up.
And women that are pregnant obviously deal with having heartburn.
Well, women who are pregnant have heartburn for two reasons. One is the level of progesterone, one of our hormones, which is higher in pregnancy, so we have a healthy baby, actually relaxes this valve, and so the acid comes back up. And also, as the baby grows, it pushes up your stomach.
Now, these are the things that we should be focusing on, high in fiber, right?
High fiber foods are really healthy for our gut and really go a long way in terms of preventing colon cancer and keep the bowels going. And also there happen to be healthy foods for our heart.